Hey Ted, how's it going?
Oh, hey Ryan, how's it going?
Good.
Good.
I have a question.
All right.
Temperatures are changing on the planet right now, but they're not changing very much. Why should we care about these changes?
Yeah, a couple of degrees can have a pretty good effect. Snowpack, where the trees grow, how early spring happens, where animals appear, where birds migrate, all those things are being affected by even that couple of degrees of change. Every summer, the Arctic gets close to that freezing point, and you get to that freezing point and everything changes. Snowpack goes away, sea ice goes away, the whole landscape changes.
Can you show me a little bit about what you mean?
Let's take a look.
Your data that you use is from satellite imagery that looks down at this area to see how far down the snow reaches at different times of the year.
Exactly. And what we're seeing is that in springtime, this whole northern area is seeing less and less and less snow. And in the Arctic Ocean, we're seeing less and less ice every summer. And that means that there's a whole lot more heat coming from the ocean and going into the atmosphere. And that is changing how the atmosphere circulates around the North Pole. Check this out. All right, let's say that this is the North Pole here, right?
And the winds go around this way normally?
But what we're seeing now is that as this polar area gets warmer, instead of doing that nice circle, it's doing a big loopy like a cloverleaf type pattern or a daisy.
If you see air circulating around like this, coming down from the Arctic, it's going to create colder weather further south than normal.
That's right. And in fact, what that's telling us is that global warming might not just be warm weather. It could be cool or rainy weather too. That weather pattern gets stuck for weeks at a time because the air pattern, the circulation pattern, stuck. We're seeing a bit more extreme weather down where the people live. But you know, this has been going on for millions of years. The difference is we've got 7 billion people on Earth, and they need to have next year's weather be more or less like last year's weather, or it's going to change everything.
Thanks, Ted.
Yeah, that was great.